Wagwan people, welcome to Monday. Guys, I know this weekend was very buzzing. Hey, I saw Ghana came alive with the VGMA Awards ceremony. Hey, I saw it on Twitter, I saw it on Instagram, I saw it everywhere this weekend. Guys, we're back with MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment, where, of course, we give you everything in lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and around the world. And another top story today is Usain Bolt's record has been broken. Hey, the youth one though, the youth one. My name is Kevoy B, guys. You don't know, you can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on TikTok, you can follow me everywhere at Kevoy B. Zin? Now guys, congratulations to all the winners over the weekend. The 22nd Vodafone Ghana Music Awards was a massive hit. Zin, you would think that the pandemic would dampen people's spirit, but guess what, guys? That was not the case. The music awards were hosted over a span of 2 days, which was Friday and Saturday, with awards and performances. Now, anyone was present, considering it was one of the biggest nights since the pandemic. And guess what, guys? It was in person. Hey, it wasn't virtual this time. Now, of course, fans were both happy and sad depending on the winners, and some artists were highly recognized. Edo Baroni won Best Rap Performance against Joey B, Medical, and get this, Sarkodie. Hey! Now, Kiddy and Kwame Eugene were nominated for several big categories, with Kiddy winning 4 of his 8 nominations. That's big. That's big for Kiddy. Now, Adina took home the Album of the Year award with her latest album, Araba. Hey, I can't tell you how many trouble I've gotten to, pronounce that name right. Now, the night was long, but well worth it. And Diana Hamilton took home the highly coveted Artist of the Year award. So, congratulations to her. Now, guys, you don't know MX24 is everywhere. And Jason LA was at the VGMA, so he got a chance to meet a few people, and we can watch some of the interviews. Let's go.
22nd VGMAs, and I'm so honored and so happy to be talking to a superstar, someone I'm a fan of, someone who's breaking boundaries. When I'm talking to people like this, I can go on and on and on. Adelaide, I'm sure you're used to. Are you used to all the acknowledgements again because you're working so hard right now?
Yes, I am used to. I should say I'm used to it now. Yeah.
We're here to have fun. We're here to pick up a few awards, enjoy the show basically, so yeah.
When it comes to these awards and acknowledgements, are you, let me say, used to it by now? It's like, it's a normal thing, or do you always get surprised?
Always there's an element of surprise in it.
We need the support from the above, some structures to be in place, and then our industry, this question can solve it itself.
But I think that we can do better. I think it's time that we own our own Spotify, our own Amazon Music. It's time that individuals, we own our own social media so that we can keep the revenue here in Ghana.
Are you happy with the state of Ghanaian music?
Well, definitely not that happy because we still don't get royalties for like airplay. Yeah, I think that's the main issue.
We expect something good, something better to happen. But may the best win. Yeah.
Being here alone is a blessing, right? You guys have done an amazing job. How and what is Kwame Eugene doing so right?
Honestly speaking, it's been work, bro. You know this. You know I put in all. I put in everything I have because that is what I believe I represent as Kwame Eugene. So as Kwame Eugene as I am, I can only keep working and working. That's what's keeping me up there.
I believe that.
You see, hey, listen, I agree with some of these artists. Listen, the guys need royalty for their music. They're not doing this for fun, I mean, they are, in a way, in a sense, because they love it. But guys, we have to pay the musicians. We have to pay our creatives. Zane, they keep the country going, You need entertainment. Why don't you like to pay for it? I don't understand. I don't understand. Anyways, big up to all the winners at the VGMA. Zane, guys, congratulations. Now, guys, Ghana is still tossing and turning with the Fix the Country campaign. Hey, I'm with them. On top of the list is Efia Odo, who has all but declared herself the leader of the movement. Now, the socialite has taken measures into her own hands, rallying people and organizing demonstrations. Woyoy. Now, recently, a group of them marched and demonstrated in front of government buildings. This resulted in them getting picked up and sent to jail for a few hours. Hey, listen, guys, Government, guys, these people have their right to protest, eh? Upon release, Efia shared that she didn't know why they were picked up and no one explained anything to them. But this wasn't going to stop her. And Efia Odo, I don't think it should. Keep going, keep going. Fix the country, fix the country. I like it, I like it. Now, not only in Ghana, but across the ocean, the BET Awards also happened live and in person on Sunday. Now, it was one of the first award ceremonies to happen in person as well as with a live audience. Hey, I like the BET Awards, eh? Now, thankfully, it was all a success. Now, their theme this year was the year of the black woman. Was the year of black women, and it was hosted by none other than Taraji P. Henson. I mean, it's the BET Awards. I mean, it's always about black women, no? Now, Queen Latifah took home the Lifetime Achievement Award, and it was truly well-deserved. And the late DMX was also honored with a tribute celebration. Now, Best International Act went to Burna Boy again, and the late Chadwick Boseman won Best Actor. You know what I wonder? If this guy was alive, would they have given him the same award? Eh? Don't do it out of pity. Don't give the man roses now that he's dead. Come on, guys. Come on now. Anyway, congratulations to all our winners. Now, guys, it has finally arrived. After 18 years, Usain Bolt's 200-meter record has been broken. Now, 17-year-old Arion Knighton has broken, he's an American who has broken the award. Usain's 2003 record was at 20.13, but it is much definitely an impressive feat. The guy ran 20.11. Now, if everything goes according to plan, Knighton should be getting ready for the Olympics this summer in Tokyo. Now, Usain is currently enjoying his life with his partner and 3 kids, because you know he had twins the other day. Hey, Lightning Bolt and St. Leo Bolt. Hey, they're here. So I'm sure he's not bummed out. Now, it's an impressive accomplishment for this young sprinter, of course. And should he make it to the Olympics, he will most likely be the youngest in the sport. Can you imagine going in at 17 with a time like that? Usain Bolt's record is no joke, guys. Listen, I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying. Usain is no joke. Usain is a serious athlete. Zane, now big up yourself, guys. Big up yourself, my friend. Now, guys, all you tech heads, CompuGhana has something special for you. Now, from now to the 18th of July 2021, CompuGhana is offering the ultimate discount on all brands with an additional 5% off on discounted offers. So guys, get ready, put on your clothes and go down to CompuGhana. So guess what you can do? You can save money, get new gadgets, and benefit from free delivery. Free $0 within Accra and Tema. So guys, get to CompuGhana, call CompuGhana. If you need a phone, if you need a computer, if you need whatever it is that you need in tech, CompuGhana has it for you at a discounted price, with discounted prices on the discounted price. Can you imagine that? Go down to CompuGhana today, guys. Now, guys, that's all we have for you today on this lovely Monday. But you don't know it's Monday, and you can go out and you can attack the week like a champion, Zane, and make sure you enjoy this week. Zane, my name is Kevoy B. This is MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment. Little more, big up yourself.